Making my roommate a Clue board game based on our life together, part 2. So a while back, I posted about making my roommate's holiday gift, a Clue board game based on our life together, and I want to talk about how I made the custom cards for the game. Every Clue game has around 6 characters, 7 weapons, and 10 rooms. For the weapons, I created cards based on a variety of the fun and quirky objects that my roommate and I have accumulated while living together. For the characters, I created 6 cards. Myself, my roommate, her 2 cats, but since we don't have that many friends, I had to do her cat's 2 lamb chop toys as the 2 additional characters. But recently, I adopted a dog, so I've decided to showcase how I made the cards by making Moby his own Clue game card. For each card, I started by cutting out a 3x4 inch piece of watercolor paper. Then I taped around the edges with a 1/2 inch piece of artist tape and sketched in my design. I inked it and watercolored it, and once the water dried, I did another layer of ink and inked around the borders of the picture. Then in a white gel pen, I added the text. Once all of that was dry, I sprayed the hell out of the whole thing with glossy finish to prevent smudging during gameplay and add a card-like sheen to the whole thing. And here's my finished Moby card. I'm so excited to be adding him to the game. Stay tuned for part 3 where I'll show how I made the game pieces. Maybe I'll even make Moby his own game piece too.